Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to talk to you about this 48cm rotary mower from Cobra. One of the great features about this mower is its electric start, and we operate it all from the top end here, the handle. It's battery powered and the battery is located just down there behind the engine, and from a fully charged battery you should be able to start over 100 times, so that's perfect. And all we do to start it is really simple. We pull in this lever here and we put it onto our choke position if the engine's cold, and then push the button here. The engine starts, put it onto run, and away we go. There, lovely mower, nice and quiet, very easy to use. And the great thing about it is it's got 3 different ways that you can cut the grass. Traditionally, we've got the collection bag here at the back, which lifts on and off simply. It's a good sized bag, get lots of grass cuttings in there. And it's also got this flap on here that flaps up and down with the airflow. When it stops flapping, it tells us that the bag is full and we need to empty it. So great little piece of equipment there. Then we've got Mowing Mode 2, which is this. This is called a Mulch Plug, and this fits into the back of the mower very, very easily. It just slots into there like that. That stops the grass being blown out. The back of the mower chops it into small pieces, blows it back down into the grass where it disappears, but it also feeds the lawn because the nitrogen's being recycled. So very good way to keep your lawn green through the summer. And the third method is what we call a side discharge, and this is our side discharge here. If we've got long grass, such as an orchard, or it's got long for some reason, then this flap will lift here and this fits into there, and the grass then is thrown out the side. So perfect for where the grass is a little bit out of control, and that just simply takes off when you don't need it. And a final thing you can do with this mower is that you can take off the standard blade that comes with it, which is a single blade, and as an optional extra you can put this one on. This has got 4 blades on there, 4 swinging blades. And the main advantage of this is if you're clearing really rough overgrown land, or you've got tree roots, it's bumpy, if you hit an obstacle in the ground, these spin out of the way, don't cause any harm to the drive shaft. So it's a good piece of kit to have for those rough areas in the garden. So overall, we've got a really good mower here. Electric start, 100 starts from a battery. We've got various mowing options. We can adjust the height of cut here, 6 different positions from low to close. And one final thing is it's also got a pull start. So if you get it out the shed and for whatever reason your battery is flat, fear not, you can still start the mower the good old-fashioned way. So fantastic piece of kit for mowing the lawn. For more information on any of the mowers in the Cobra range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.